Welcome to the second episode in which we will discuss about pedestals and cable bases dedicated for HYDRA enclosures. HYDRA enclosures are very universal. They can be installed on the pole, metal frames, on the wall, directly on the pedestal or on a concrete floor or plinth. Very often during cabinet installation, it is needed to change the installation way of the cabinet. What to do if you already have an enclosure and you assume that it will be installed on the wall, while it turns out that the enclosure must be freestanding for previously unknown reasons? You will find it out in this episode. To have a freestanding cabinet, we may use pedestal or cable base. If we want to install cabinet directly into the ground, then pedestal type FH will be suitable. If it is supposed to be installed on the concrete floor, then more suitable would be cable base KKH. Let's start with the assembly of the pedestal. Now the pedestal is ready. Standard enclosure does not have mounting holes to install it on the pedestal or cable base. In order to install it, we need to drill a Phi 10 holes. Attached mounting adapters can be used as a template. Now we move enclosure upside down and do the drilling. Holes are prepared. Insert the mounting adapters used previously as templates into the holes in the enclosure body. Fasten the adapter delivered with the pedestal. Turn it over and put the enclosure on the pedestal. Finally, fasten enclosure to the pedestal. As you can see, installation to the pedestal did not have any influence on the IP level. Mounting holes made with drill and fastening elements are placed in the dedicated recess and do not decrease tightness of the enclosure. We put on the last cover and, depending on the needs, we lock it with a padlock, seal or a key cylinder insert. Now we have a ready set of HYDRA enclosure with the pedestal. As I mentioned, there is also possibility to install cabinet on the cable base. We assemble cable base. Then we are drilling mounting holes exactly in the same way like for the pedestal. As the next step, we assemble enclosure with the pedestal. Put the last cover and it is ready. What if the pedestal will be too short? You can choose higher pedestal version with one or two cable bases. In case of too short cable base, situation looks quite similar, because there is available set of two joint cable bases. You need to remember about proper installation into the ground. Minimum buried level is marked on the side of the pedestal leg. We hope that after seeing today's episode, installation of HYDRA enclosures will have no secrets for you. See you in the next episodes.